The larger the fleet, the more work it takes to keep it running efficiently. Even the most attentive owners and operators can only do so much on their own. That's why Caterpillar offers a suite of digital services that lessen the burden of day-to-day management while providing insights that keep your fleet healthier, minimizing non-productive time. Unique combinations of software and hardware work together to translate fleet data before it's delivered directly to you through a fully customized, cloud-based portal, ensuring you can view and act on critical data whether you're on site or across the globe. Through Asset Health Monitoring, you get real-time, remote monitoring of critical asset data across your entire fleet. Smarter maintenance and repairs make it easier than ever to plan proactive maintenance and employ practical troubleshooting when a problem pops up. Asset Health Insight delivers advanced analytics for your equipment that help you anticipate what's next, reducing unexpected operational setbacks. With robust reporting and notifications, customizable alerts and reports deliver critical fleet information so that you can take action immediately. You also have access to unmatched expertise, an entire team of dedicated, knowledgeable Caterpillar employees who are ready to help problem solve with you to optimize operations. And through unique financial partnerships, you can leverage Caterpillar's robust infrastructure to help mitigate risk so that you can refocus on critical business operations. Caterpillar's digital services is a solution that scales to your specific needs, giving you the power to convert insight into action and deliver a more predictable fleet.